Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Before you buy the home cleaning find, here is the quick honest review I wish every listing had. In the next minute, I'll show you who this cleaning home is actually for, what stands out, and the one thing to check before ordering. The main reason this caught my attention is simple: it promises a practical upgrade without making your setup complicated. First, let's look at the details that matter in real life. Feel it wherever you are, the air booster and bionic blade design makes. That matters because it affects daily comfort, not just the product page. Featuring adjustable height, 37 to 42 inch, 9H timers, and straightforward installation. This is the kind of detail people usually notice after a few days of use. The strongest points are cleaner home, time saver, and easy routine. This is a well-reviewed product that many buyers have already trusted, so it's not an unknown random item. The only thing I would be careful about is expectations. Make sure the size, color, and exact version match your space before you click buy. My verdict: if you want a simple cleaning home upgrade and the current price makes sense, the home cleaning find is definitely worth shortlisting for your space. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.